How to transfer USDT from SafePal Wallet to Binance, avoid mistakes and save on fees. Welcome to Debt-Free Dreams. Looking to transfer USDT from your SafePal Wallet to Binance? I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, including tips on choosing the right network, avoiding scams, and troubleshooting common errors. Let's get started. Section 1. Why network selection matters. First, let's talk about network selection, which is critical when transferring USDT. USDT exists on multiple blockchains, ERC-20 Ethereum. This network is widely supported but has high fees, especially when Ethereum is congested. DEP-20 Binance Smart Chain. It's faster and cheaper than ERC-20, with fees typically less than $1. TRC-20 Tron. Known for its speed and affordability, TRC-20 fees are often a fraction of a cent. When transferring, make sure to use the same network on both SafePal and Binance. For example, if you select BEP-20 in your SafePal wallet, you must select BEP-20 as the network in Binance. Pro tip: DEP-20 and TRC-20 are great for cost savings, while ERC-20 is ideal for compatibility. Section 2. Prepare your wallets. Now, before you transfer, let's prepare. Ensure your SafePal wallet has the USDT balance you want to send. Next, log into your Binance account. You'll also need some ETH, BNB, or TRX in your SafePal wallet to pay for network fees, depending on the network you're using. Pro tip: small balances of ETH, BNB, or TRX are essential to cover transaction fees. Section 3. Retrieve your Binance deposit address. In Binance, go to your wallet and select Deposit. Choose USDT as the cryptocurrency and then select the correct network key, ERC-20, BEP-20, or TRC-202. Match your SafePal wallet. Copy the deposit address carefully, as this is where you'll send your funds. Section 4. Send USDT from SafePal. Now, in your SafePal app, open your USDT wallet and tap Send. Paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier. Double-check the address, and then select a matching network. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send, confirm the transaction, and pay the network fee. Pro tip: always verify that the selected network matches the one on Binance to prevent losing funds. Section 5. Seed phrase safety. Here's an important reminder: never share your seed phrase. Your seed phrase is the key to your wallet, and anyone with it can steal your funds. Only use your seed phrase to recover your wallet in the official SafePal app or hardware device. Avoid entering it anywhere else, including Binance. Pro tip: think of your seed phrase as your bank account password. Keep it safe. Section 6. Troubleshooting common errors. If something goes wrong, here are the 3 most common errors to troubleshoot. 1. Mismatched networks. Always use the same network on both SafePal and Binance. 2. Insufficient funds for fees. Make sure you have enough ETH, BNB, or TRX to cover the transaction. 3. Delays. Transactions might take longer during network congestion. Use blockchain explorers to track progress. Pro tip: if your transaction isn't showing up, contact Binance or SafePal support for help. Section 7. Recap and final tips. And that's it. You've successfully transferred USDT from your SafePal wallet to Binance. To recap: 1. Choose the right network for your transfer. 2. Never share your seed phrase. 3. Double-check addresses and fees to avoid mistakes. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Debt-Free Dreams, and share your questions or tips in the comments.